Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Leonardo AI logo designs and how to make them. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first, we just need to simply open our Leonardo.ai application right here. So as you can see, we actually have our search bar right here, but it's disabled. So this is the easiest way on how to actually look for logo designs or creating logo designs. So what I did is that I just scrolled down below and look for a logo. Say for instance, we want to make a logo of like a lion. So here, what I did is that I just simply copied the prompt, and then here below, what I did next is that after copying the prompt, I scrolled down. Okay, and then you can actually see here, generate with this model. As for this model, they have used Leonardo Diffusion. So since we want to achieve this kind of logo design, say for example, for like a high school varsity team, then you can simply do that right there. Now I'm just going to put number of images as 1, and then simply paste the prompt, and then I'm just gonna add like yellow and green for this one. All right, now let's generate the image. Once the image has been generated, you will actually see here that it's quite similar to the one that we have in the prompt right there from Leonardo. However, we do not see any green color scheme right there, but we can see the yellow one, so which is actually a good thing. And that's one of the easiest way on how you can create your logo design. That's by simply searching for a logo, inspiration logo from like the searches in your Leonardo application. Now let me show you another way by creating our own prompt. Say for example, we want to create a logo of a coffee shop, or if we're starting up a coffee shop, then I'll show you the way on how you could create your own design. Okay, now let's try experimenting with a different kind of model. So here I'm going to simply type in the kind of prompt that I would want to have for my coffee shop. So say for instance, we just want to have like a coffee bean icon, which we will be playing around with, and we are going to add more details onto it. For these kinds of logo designs, what I noticed is that you need to have like very descriptive what kind of style or what kind of artistic style you would like to have it. Is it like a sketch? Is it minimalist, aesthetic, 4K? Like those kinds of descriptions are very important in creating these kinds of image prompts. Okay. Now, I would also want to try out if this would work out with Leonardo, putting a cafe shop's name in it. For the fine-tuned model, instead of Leonardo Diffusion, I actually chose vintage style photography because I would also want to see how it would look like and how it would generate using this one. Okay, now that we have inputted all the details, we are simply going to generate it. Okay, so as you can see, we only have one image generated since the number of images I selected is one, just to save up my coins because I don't have enough coins. By the way, guys, when you're creating an image prompt, make sure to save and be wise in creating or like saving up for your number of images. Now, as you can see, the shop's name did not turn out well, so I'm just gonna simply delete this one, and we are going to simply try another one. Okay, let's make it centered, and instead of one image, I would also have two images this time to have a variation as well. Alright, so as you can see with vintage style photography, it's more of like a realistic kind of photo. It's not really good for logo design. So let's try to go back to Leonardo diffusion, and we're going to try generating the images now. So there you have it. We have generated the best image so far that I have. As you can see, this is like a coffee bean, which is really aesthetic, and it's black and white. It's really good for a logo. And we also have another type of coffee bean right here. Alright, so say for example, instead of a coffee bean icon, we would like to have a coffee mug icon for our coffee shop, and let's try generating it this time. And there you have it. We have successfully created two types of coffee mug designs. And say for instance, I'm going to simply use this one right here for my coffee shop. So the next process that you can do is that you can actually edit this photo, save this one, and what I did is that I went to Canva and I uploaded the image that we have generated from Leonardo AI. I simply, you know, edited the photo, changed the background, and added like my coffee shop's name in order for me to be able to utilize the picture that we have from Leonardo AI. So here. Now let me show you the end result of our prompt. And basically, here's the end result. And this is how our coffee shop logo looks like. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.